Happy Halloween, everyone. I'm going to show you how to turn some scrap wood into these really cool decorations. I'm Home DIY Dan. Hit that subscribe button to see all the cool content we have coming up next. Let's get into it.
Okay, I'm using some scrap 2x6s that I had laying around. I'm just trimming the edges off because I wanted a square look. Not necessary, but definitely gives it a better look. I didn't have as many as I needed, so I'm just cutting them in half. You can use whatever size wood you have. And then, like I have in the picture here, I just have it 8 to 16, then back to 8 inches. So it all depends how much wood and what size you have, what you want to do. Just measuring it out and then cutting them to size. So just stack them up and make sure that everything looks the way you want it to. And then just drill 2 holes in each board. And I use 2.5-inch screws to just tie them all together. We're just drawing out a rough outline of what we want the top of the witch's hat to be. We're going to go through with the jigsaw and just cut it out. So now we're going to move on to the bottom of the witch's hat. As you can tell, I suck at drawing ovals. If you want to use a template, you can, but I just freehanded it. So here we're marking where we want the top of the hat to go on the bottom. Then we're going to drill 2 holes in the bottom, line up the top and mark where those holes are on the top, and then mark on the bottom of the top of the hat where those lines are, and just drill 2 holes so that we can put the screws in through the bottom, and it's got a nice secure point in the top of the hat. From here we're just going to put screws in the bottom of the hat and mount it to the top of the hat. So shortly we're going to paint the hat black, and then I'm going to use some bronze spray paint to give it a little bit of a different look. Now we're going to do the easiest one. Just draw a rough outline of a ghost and then take the jigsaw and cut that out. We're going to paint the ghost white, and then I used felt paper to make the eyes and the mouth for the ghost. Alright, time to spray paint the pumpkin. I'm just spray painting it orange, and then I'm spray painting the top of it green, the stem of it. So once we're done painting all 3 of these, we're just going to give them a nice clear coat. I'm using the satin enamel.
Alright, thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed making these because I had a blast. It was simple and didn't take very long at all. Hit that subscribe button to see all the cool content we have coming out next.